Hello everybody, and today I'll be telling you guys about our newly installed Keyline charger for a dual battery isolator. So if you come over here, what I did is I installed it right here, the smart battery isolator, and we have a positive wire that connects to the battery terminal right here. I ran a positive cable above this wiring tubing and put it through this rubber access that I just drilled a hole through. You can come a little closer and you can see. Just poke the hole through there and it leads out into the cab. So then I shot it over and you can't even see the wire that much, but it just runs along the bottom. You can't see it all right here. It just comes up right here. I drilled a hole from the front to the back. So from the back seats into the bed, brought in a cable. Inside is a 100 amp hour lithium battery, and there's a 2000 watt inverter. You just turn it on simply by pressing the remote button. Power's on. So there you go. With this battery isolator, you can charge up your battery while just driving. You don't have to worry about just throwing out solar panels or having a charge or anything. Everything's good to go. Thanks for watching.